White matter. So in this we will be describing the competency, that is white matter of cerebrum. White matter forms the substance of the cerebrum. It is composed of myelinated nerve fibers of varied sizes and the supporting neuroganglia. These fibers are classified into three categories, that is commissural fibers, projection fibers and association fibers. Commissural fibers. They are also called transverse fibers. They interconnect the right and left cerebral hemispheres. There are four bundles of commissural fibers, that is corpus callosum, anterior commissure, posterior commissure and hippocampal commissure. Corpus callosum. This is the largest group of commissural fibers. It is comprised of four regions. The anterior most is called as rostrum. Then the curved part is called as genu. And the flattened part is called as body. And the posterior most thickened part is called as the splenium. Corpus callosum connects the neocortex of the right and left hemispheres. Anterior commissure. Anterior commissure connects right and left amygdala, olfactory bulbs and several cortical regions of the two temporal lobes. Then posterior commissure. It connects right and left pretectal regions and related to cell groups of the midbrain. Hippocampal commissure. Hippocampal commissure or the commissure of the fornix, also called, joins right and left hippocampus to one another. Projection fibers. The projection fibers are restricted to a single hemisphere and connect cerebral cortex with the lower levels, namely the corpus striatum, diencephalon, brainstem and spinal cord. The majority of the fibers are pyramidal cells, fusiform neurons. The majority of these fibers are axons of pyramidal cells, fusiform neurons. These fibers are component parts of internal capsule. So the internal capsule is subdivided into anterior limb, genu, posterior limb, that includes retrolentiform, sublentiform. The projection fibers may be divided into corticopetal and corticofugal. Projection fibers, that is corticopetal, are the afferent fibers that bring information from the thalamus to the cerebral cortex. They consist of thalamocortical fibers. Centrifugal or efferent fibers that transport information from the cerebral cortex to lower centers of brain and spinal cord. They consist of corticobulbar, corticopontine, corticospinal and corticothalamic fibers. Association fibers. They are also known as arcuate fibers and are restricted to a single hemisphere, subdivided into two categories, that is short arcuate fibers and long arcuate fibers. They are axons of pyramidal cells and fusiform neurons. Short arcuate fibers connect adjacent gyri. They do not reach subcortical white matter of the cerebral cortex. Most of them are confined to the cortical grey matter. Then long arcuate fibers connect non-adjacent gyri. They consist of following fiber tracts, that is uncinate fasciculus, cingulum, superior longitudinal fasciculus, inferior longitudinal fasciculus and fronto-occipital fasciculus. Thank you.